Ajinkya. I'm a student at TISS Turjapur doing rural development course. So I have made this video with hope that it might help you in your interview preparation. So as we all know that TISS has changed its admission procedures. TISNET, which was earlier qualifying part of the examination, now suddenly carries 60% weightage in the admission procedures. It was a shock for many people. Many people I came across were panicked. Many people commented negative things on WhatsApp group कि अब हमारा कुछ नहीं होने वाला, अब हम लोग मतलब रेस से आउट हो गए, हम लोग अब टिक नहीं पाएंगे. So it's my request to these people, please refrain from making such comments. Please don't panic. What we need now is positive attitude. And believe me, I have been through this procedure, and it's not that difficult as you guys make or you might think. People who are there in interview panel, they are not endowed with all the worldly knowledge. They are just common people like you and me. um, uh, I have known these people since last 1 year. They have taught us, and they have learned many things from us also. They are very common people like us. So it's not your knowledge which is going to define your result. It's what attitude you will carry during interview procedures, and this 10 days before interview will decide your entry or exit from this examination. So I request you to have a positive attitude. And other request I personally make to you guys is that train your brain to think like this, that you have already cleared this examination, you are going to take the admission now you are going to be part of TISS campus life. Just train your brain to think like that. So that's my personal request. Be positive from right this moment. That will help you. Now coming to the main part of the video, what I would like to address in today's video is that what you should fill in DAF form, and what the interview procedure might look like for you. And I will share some techniques which helped me clear this examination with very good marks in interview. So first, coming to the DAF form, I will first mention what it consists of. Then I will mention take the questions and tell you how to fill that form. First is the DAP form consists of 4 questions. First is why this course. They will ask you why you want to join this course. Second one is that they will ask you to write something about yourself. It's like a biographical sketch. Third question, important question, is about your educational gap. Means if you have any educational gap before this academic year. And fourth question is they ask you specifically about languages you know, and how good you know about that languages, whether you are good at speaking, writing in those languages. So coming to the first question, why this course. So I request you guys to go through the course content. What I did was, like, I was applying for rural development course, so I went to the website, I checked the course content for rural development course, and accordingly I framed my answer. Like, I was interested in polity, economy, and that was a part of course. So I wrote in depth that this part of course motivated me to apply for this course. That was what I did. Second one is about biographical sketch. I request you guys, this is very personal question, so I request you guys, you have your own experiences, you write it in very simple words. Like, for me, till 12th I did my education in science background. Afterwards I shifted to humanities. So I was able to convince them that I found my inner calling into social sciences, not in sciences. That is what I wrote in my DAF form. Third one is educational gap. If you don't have educational gap, then it's okay, there will be no question pertaining to it. If you have educational gap, then you should be able to frame the educational gap into positive way. I had 4 years educational gap. I studied for UPSC examinations. So what I wrote in that column was that yes, I have 4 year education gap, and I don't see it in negative way, but because in the past 4 years I did lot of personal, I went through lot of personal developments. I am a changed person now what I was 4 years ago. uh, so I was able to convince that कि एजुकेशन गैप है, लेकिन बीच में जो 4 साल थे मैंने पॉजिटिवली उसको कन्वर्ट किया. This is DAP, and DAP should be written in a very clean, good handwriting. They won't read your DAP for too long. They will go through your DAP hardly 2-3 minutes. So don't get lot serious about this. So chill. Now coming to the main question, what your interview might look like. So this has been the trend. I went to Mumbai campus for interview. I was not ready because I didn't prepare for single day for both the interviews. First standard question is, you completed your degree in this stream. You want to join this course now. So how do you relate your degree with the this course? So you have to prepare the answer very in very systematic way. Like I did my BA geography, someone might have did engineering. So for them it is how they means make them believe that you are serious about this course. As I in this past I mentioned about positive attitude. They want the people who have positive attitude towards the course also. They want people who have seriousness about this course. So like, believe I am an engineer. So what I would speak is like, I did my engineering, but I was not satisfied in that course. I found this course to be interesting. I want to work for the community. Like this is a social work course. So this motivated me to come to this field. This way you can write this. You can answer in the interview. Second question is about again educational gap. You have to fill it in DAP form, and if you have educational gap, you will be asked about the educational gap. And as I told you, you have to portray the educational gap in a positive way. You have your own common experiences, your personal experiences. So I request you to prepare this question in advance, because this is going to be the sure shot question if you are educational gap. Other question they have asked is the 2 or 3 current events you think are important in the country or in the state. I was asked the same question. So this time I previously had interview in Mumbai. So before coming to Tujapur, I was ready what issues I was going to address. I told them that the 2 issues I find the currently country face are agrarian distress, and second one is the reservation issue. I linked the both issues because I had prepared for that question. So I request you guys to prepare 2 or 3 issues which you find are most important in today's scenario. One obviously is going to be COVID-19. Most of the people will speak about COVID-19, and I request you, your answer should be very unique. What I want to do is, I will put some questions on the group about various aspects of COVID-19. You have to prepare about that aspects. And as again I have told, it's what attitude you appear with, what attitude you appear for interview is going to determine your entry. And I say there is one art of converting the interview the way you want it to be. Means you speak something, and obviously the questions will follow regarding that issue. I spoke about politics, and I know there were going to be political questions again coming from them. I spoke that I want to join this course because I am interested in doing lot of social work in water related issues. So they questioned me with some water related issues. When I spoke of politics, they asked me to tell me about how development is related to politics. Obviously I was able to answer that question because I had prepared that way. So I will request you guys to answer in such a way that the questions that might follow will be the questions that might follow will be related to the questions topics you have prepared. I will make the other videos. I will make the other videos. I have some. I will make the other videos and I will post by tomorrow. Some of the people asked me to put about the personal professional issues, and some asked me about the rural schemes I should address in the issues in my video. I will do it by tomorrow. This was just an introductory video. So all the best. I will keep posting. Thank you.